Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to quickly deal with a failed ACH refund in Stripe. Step 1. Check the refund failure reason. Log into Stripe, open the refund details, and review why the ACH refund failed, such as an invalid bank account or routing issue. Step 2. Verify customer bank details. Ask the customer to confirm their bank account information and ensure it's active and correct. Step 3. Update incorrect information. Fix any invalid or outdated bank details in Stripe before retrying the refund. Step 4. Retry the refund. Once details are updated, reinitiate the ACH refund from the Stripe dashboard. Step 5. Confirm successful processing. Monitor the refund status to make sure it is completed without errors. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more quick Stripe tips.